Hello everyone, welcome to this series of our online lectures of engineering course. So in this video we will learn about focus directrix method for an ellipse. So consider that this is a statement, okay. Construct an ellipse when the distance of focus from the directrix is equals to 5 centimeter and eccentricity is 2 by 3. Okay, we will skip this we, for we can say to draw about tangent and normal. Okay. So here notice this eccentricity is 2 by 3. So obviously 2 by 3 is less than 1. Okay, if they haven't asked us about which curve we have to draw. Okay, so by noticing this the eccentricity less than 1 we can say that we have to draw an ellipse. So we will draw first the directrix, that is DD. Okay, we will take a random point C through which we will draw an axis, okay, horizontal axis perpendicular to directrix. Now the given distance of a focus from the directrix equals to 5 centimeter. So what we will do, we will take a distance equals to 5 centimeter, then from directrix, okay, we will mark one point which will be the focus. Now the eccentricity is 2 by 3. So in numerator there are 2 divisions and in denominator there are 3 divisions. So by adding 2 and 3 divisions we have 5 divisions. So what we will do is we will divide this distance between directrix and focus into 5 divisions. Okay, so that's how we will divide the distance and focus distance between focus and directrix into 5 divisions. Now as eccentricity is 2 by 3, the vertex will lie from this focus towards left at 2 divisions. So here, okay, this point will be your eccentricity of an ellipse. Okay. So now what the next step is to draw a vertical line through this vertex towards up having distance equals to, we can say that VF, okay, or we can say that equals to 2 division. Now through point C, okay, we will draw a line which is passing through this point A. So this will be the straight line joining point C and A. Now from vertex V we will take these points, green points, at equidistance. Okay, so point number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Later on we will construct a vertical parallel lines, okay, through these points 1 to 8. Okay, so I again repeat, from vertex V we have take this much distance V to 1, or we can say distance equals to 1 division, and we have marked these points from 1 to serially till 8. Okay, later on taking we will notify these intersection points of this vertical line with this line which is joining a CA, okay, point CA. So we will name this 1 dash 2 dash respective. For 4 it will be 4 dash, for 8 it will be 8 dash. Okay. So these are the intersection points of this vertical line and this line passing through point CA. Now what we will do is we will take distance equals to 1 to 1 dash, okay, this red one 1 to 1 dash. Okay, so taking this radius 1 to 1 dash, taking F as a center, okay, we will mark these points, these red points on this line which is 1 1 dash. Now taking distance equals to 2 2 dash, okay, or we can say taking radius equals to 2 2 dash, taking center F, okay, we will mark these points, okay, which will be P2 and P2 dash. Now taking radius in a compass equals to 3 3 dash, point F as a center, we will again mark this point, that is P3 and P3 dash. Again 4 to 4 dash as a radius in a compass, F as a center, we will mark these points, that is P4 P4 dash. For 5 5 dash it will be P5 P5 dash. Likewise these points will be obtained. Okay, now through these obtained points, okay, we can construct a curve, but to obtain this extreme rightward isn't we can say vertex. Okay, obviously vertex itself, it is a extreme point for that ellipse, but up to how much we can say points we have to divide this axis like from 1 to 8, till which point we should take this distance. So to obtain the last point, what we have to do is, through point F I have taken a angle equals to 45 degree, and I have drawn this line which is intersecting this extended line passing through this CA points. Okay. So this will be your last point, drawing a line from this point B towards this axis. So this will be the vertex for the ellipse. Okay, so right vertex, and this will be the left vertex. So through these points we can construct an ellipse. Okay, so this is how one can construct a ellipse by focus directrix method. Thank you.